Hello guys, welcome back to my channel AI Runtheshow where we discuss the latest AI updates. Today, we're diving into Adobe's new generative AI model. Adobe is integrating new generative AI capabilities into its Photoshop Creative Suite, offering users more sophisticated options for influencing their creative outputs. These enhancements are fueled by Adobe's new foundational model, Firefly Image 3, and are currently accessible through the Photoshop Beta desktop app, with a full release scheduled for later this year, as stated in Adobe's press release. A standout feature is the Reference Image tool, which leverages images uploaded by users to shape the AI-generated outcomes, aligning them with the style and color of the provided references. For instance, users can now bypass the tedious task of refining textual prompts, such as a blue vintage truck with flower decals, by supplying a reference image for Photoshop to emulate. Ely Greenfield, Adobe's Chief Technology Officer for Digital Media, expressed to The Verge that crafting detailed prompts is cumbersome. He emphasized the efficiency of using an actual image, quoting, "A picture is worth 1,000 words. It's important that users hold the rights to any images they use for reference." Greenfield mentioned to The Verge that users will be alerted about this requirement when they first use the tool. Additionally, Adobe is developing a universal Do Not Train tag as part of its Content Authenticity initiative, which will prevent referenced images from being utilized in training the Firefly model. Despite the onus on users to ensure image ownership, Adobe assures that this new tool is secure for commercial applications, highlighting one of the key benefits Firefly has over its competitors. Other generative AI features in the Photoshop Beta app include Generate Background, which crafts new background images for scenarios such as product photography, and Enhance Detail, which improves the sharpness and clarity of images. The Generate Similar feature is also noteworthy, using one of 3 images created by Photoshop's Firefly tools as a basis to generate similar content. Meanwhile, Generate Image allows users to start with a blank slate and create a complete image based on a textual description, another first. The third iteration of Adobe's Firefly model, now available in a public, global beta outside of Photoshop through the Firefly web app, offers unprecedented photorealistic quality. This model is adept at interpreting extensive, descriptive text prompts and generating clearer text within images. Besides generative AI enhancements, Adobe is also introducing new standard tools in Photoshop aimed at expediting creative workflows. These tools include an adjustment brush for making non-destructive color modifications to specific areas, a new set of adjustment presets for rapid image alterations using filters, and an enhanced font browser that provides instant access to over 25,000 fonts from Adobe's cloud directly within the Photoshop interface. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel AI Runtheshow.